sun shows twilight in the west, in the region and shadow of death. Cockroaches, cicadas whispering as a sign of the darkness coming. Splattered by sea breeze continually, alone at seashore in solitary way. My moment of deep sense bitterness, sensation of long lost hopefulness. Forgetting you is a difficult task. When I reminisce you, I always ask, should I hold on to you or should I disregard you? But how can I forget your smile? Your sweet and charming smile that will eliminate my boredom and will heal my extreme lonesome. Your lovely face relieving my pain and reviving my ecstasy and chain. Your dazzling and elegant body cast help me forget my dark memories past. Tell me to respect and adore you, and I'll glorify and worship you. 'Cause even my soul insufficient fortitude, I'm still a dupe of my foolish heart.